Dr. Anthony Fauci now urged people to keep an open mind when it comes to COVID-19 origins after a new report suggested that the virus was leaked from a Chinese lab. According to U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC) data, COVID-19 emerged in 2019 in Wuhan, China, and its origin has sparked worldwide debate, with opposing sides disagreeing on whether the virus was leaked from a lab or whether it was naturally occurring. The virus has infected more than 674 million people worldwide, killing more than 6 million people. Reported by the New York Post, citing the previous stand of Fauci, is contradicting to what he is saying now because of a miles-long track record of utter close-mindedness about COVID's origin. Going back to the bare start of the pandemic, an effort in which he was aided at every step of the way by a compliant media. The doctor called the lab leak theory a shiny object that will go away soon in April 2020. And that same month, he said the virus mutations were totally consistent with the jump of a species from an animal to a human. In a May 2020 National Geographic interview, he said everything strongly indicates the virus evolved in nature and called the lab leak theory a circular argument. In March 2021, he slammed former Center for Disease Control head Robert Redfield's belief in the lab leak hypothesis as merely an opinion. June saw him saying that the most likely origin is from an animal species to a human. In October, he claimed it was molecularly impossible for the viruses being worked on in Wuhan to have mutated into the one responsible for the pandemic. The next month, he claimed that the congressional Republicans grilling him over the issue were contaminated by a distinct anti-science flavor. Fauci desperately wanted the theory to go away as per the New York Post. He is likely to avoid scrutiny of his own role in funding gain-of-function research at the one lab theorized as the pandemic's ultimate origin. Theories about the virus origin have centered around Fauci and the National Institutes of Health (NIH), when in 2021 the NIH was accused of funding studies that would make a coronavirus more dangerous to humans. Fauci denied the allegations, but later that year, he was proven to be a liar when the NIH admitted that it funded gain-of-research studies about the coronaviruses impacting bats in Wuhan run by Peter Daszak, who organized his own campaign to suppress the lab leak theory. I am Lovely Montoya of Manila STV.